in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a CV for free online and download it with free templates. You can see here a lot of templates here, and with AI that's going to help you make your CV look more professional. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I already have a tutorial on that, which was almost 11 months ago, and I had 3.6k views. So I've decided to make an updated video on this. So now let's get going. The website we are going to use to create our CV here is resume.com, a website owned by Indeed. So Indeed is an American site which you can apply jobs on there. So let me search that. Indeed, you can find a lot of remote jobs, and the rest here you can see is very, very much popular. Now let's come to the main purpose of this video. So you hop there, you create an account. You can use an Indeed account to create account here. So hop on here like this, and now let's move to our templates. So they have a lot of templates here, just like I was talking about earlier in the video. So they have a lot of free templates here. So for me, for professional CVs, I like to go with this. This is very much simple, but then there are lots of them. You just need to select it and it's going to appear on your CV. So I think this is okay. This is also nice. So I select that, and then this is how it's going to look like. Yeah. But I don't think it's nice. I think it's overcrowded for me. I mean, some of you guys want CVs that your pictures and the rest are on it. For me, I don't like that. I want my CV to be very much clear. So this is what I want to go for. And here you can see manage sections here. So when you tap on the manage sections, you're going to get these things here. This experience you can see here. And now let me scroll down here. So now you can see my key skills here, education and the rest. So that's it for the manage sections. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. So let me turn off the professional summary here. So when I turn it off like this, it should vanish. You get it? So I turn it on, and you can manually add some there. You can see I've turned off certifications. I'm an introvert. Awards, I don't have some as well. And languages too, I don't like the way it is, so I want to add it myself. So you can see I added the language myself and certifications. So you just need to tap on here to add a custom section. So let's say I want to add something like project. You get it? So I add project here and I save it. Good. So after saving it, I can enter everything I want to enter here. Start entering everything you need to enter here, and the AI will give you some sort of ideas here, and then you can copy it or you can select it, and then it will be pasted here automatically. You can proceed to save it here, and you're going to see I'm going to get a project section here. You can see I have a project section here. So if you want to move it upwards, you tap on this here to move it up. You tap on this here to move it up. You tap on this here to move it up as well. And I think it should be ahead of certifications too, I think. Okay, so project should be under your education and your experiences. This is a professional CV for a job. So your job experiences need to be the second thing, and your summary and your heading. You get it? So you can turn everything off and turn it on. So let's say you want to edit your project, your profile summary or your summary of your CV. You can see this here. This is mine. You can choose to. You can see I'm getting a lot of AI suggestions here. A lot of them there. You can even search your job title. So let's say you are going to apply for administrative assistant. Good. So you see administrative assistant. So when you search that, you see these are all some things that you can tap to add. You get it? I don't want to add it. Mostly I use AI which is ChatGPT or DeepSeek, to do that for me. You copy and paste here. So when I'm entering that entry from that AI, I can just select something from here and add it to spice it up. So that's it. Very much simple and easy. Downloading your resumes after creating them here is very, very simple. So let's say you want to add a job experience. I need to walk you guys through all that. So you want to add a job experience. You can see your employer here, your role there. It's very, very simple. Employer, your role, your start date, the date you ended, if you've not ended, or if you still work at that particular place. So the date you started, the day you ended. If you still work there, you leave it like that. The location, and you add these bulletins. Once you start adding it, the AI is going to suggest some here. So this is the job title, and this is webmaster. So they are going to suggest a lot for you. You can add them, but you shouldn't be lying on your CV. I think lying is not an option. You shouldn't be lying. If you can do it, you just tell them you can do it. If you can't, you just tell them you can't do it. So now there's another one. Let me try do another edit too as well. Simple and easy. So if you want to add a new experience, you move on top. Let me move here. So when you come here, you can see This year, you just add some sort of additional work experience, or your employer, your role, the month, the date it ended, your location. You add everything you need to add here. You can use this to make a bulletin. You can make it stylish and the rest, but I think your professional CV needs to be clean. You don't need to be adding those stuff. That's why with the templates, I didn't talk a lot about templates. Some of you people like templates that has pictures and the rest. I think in some countries it's acceptable, but then from where I'm from, I think your CV needs to be clean. Like when you're applying for masters, for jobs, it needs to be clean. That's what I see on LinkedIn all the time by professionals. So that's what your CV needs to look like.